Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to go live on Instagram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to go live on Instagram, you have to follow these steps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once it's open, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, you need to make sure your account is set to a professional account. If you're currently using a personal account, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, scroll down, and select Creator Tools and Controls. Next, tap on Switch Account Type and convert your account from personal to a professional account. If you're already using a professional account, you can skip this step. After your account is set up correctly, go back to the main screen and tap the plus icon in the upper left corner. When the creation options appear, you should see the live feature. Tap on it, set up your live stream, and you'll be ready to go. If you don't see the live option, it's likely because your account doesn't meet the eligibility requirements. Instagram requires your account to have at least 1,000 followers before the live feature becomes available. If your account has fewer than 1,000 followers, you won't be able to go live yet. And that's it. So that's basically how you go live on Instagram. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.